Have you ever been in a room where one person starts yawning and suddenly it feels like a chain reaction? Yawning is one of those mysterious human behaviors that has puzzled scientists for years. But why exactly do we yawn, and is it really contagious? Let's dive into the science behind this seemingly simple action. Yawning is a common physiological response that involves opening the mouth, taking a deep breath, and then exhaling. While the true purpose of yawning remains somewhat elusive, researchers have proposed several intriguing theories. One of the most popular is the idea that yawning helps increase oxygen intake and regulate brain temperature. By bringing more air into the lungs, yawning could contribute to cooling the brain and maintaining optimal functioning. Another theory suggests that yawning is linked to alertness and the transition between different states of consciousness. You might have noticed that you yawn when you're tired or bored, as well as when you're about to go to sleep or just waking up. This implies that yawning might play a role in promoting wakefulness or helping us transition into a more relaxed state, preparing the brain for new activities. The contagious nature of yawning is perhaps the most fascinating aspect. If you found yourself yawning in response to seeing someone else do so, you're not alone. Studies have shown that seeing, hearing, or even thinking about yawning can trigger the same response in others. This phenomenon is not just limited to humans. Animals like chimpanzees and dogs also exhibit contagious yawning. The reason yawning is contagious might be rooted in social bonding and empathy. When we yawn in response to someone else, it could be a way of creating social synchronization or enhancing group awareness. In essence, it's a subtle way of telling those around us that we're connected, in sync, and responding to a shared experience. So while yawning remains a bit of a mystery, its links to brain function, consciousness transitions, and social empathy provide some clues as to why we all, inevitably, succumb to its contagious nature. The next time you find yourself yawning after someone else, remember, it's all part of the fascinating tapestry of human behavior.